Okay. Magandang araw po. This is now the part 2 of this very beautiful program, Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate. No? So I would like to assume that if you're watching this part 2, napanood nyo po yung part 1. Ano? So if you haven't watched it yet, I would highly recommend, please stop this video and watch the part 1 first before proceeding to this part 2. Okay, so in this part 2, we will talk about the bonus part. Okay? Excuse me. So kaya po ito very exciting kasi ito po yung bonus. And part 2 is actually a free program being provided by Supreme Wealth Alliance to its members. Ulitin ko po yung salita, it's free. Libre po ito. Hindi nyo po ito binayaran. Wala pong bayad. Kusang loob na ibibigay po ng Supreme Wealth Alliance sa mga miyembro. Itong approach number 2 natin. Ano? At ang approach number 2 po, if we combine it with approach number 1, yung ating life-changing experience, believe me, the results will be phenomenal. No? As an explosive, phenomenal, unbelievable. Alright? So, ang approach number 2 po ay walang kinaibahan ito sa ginagawa ng karamihang mga negosyo or mga business, yung tinatawag nating member gets member program. Okay, kung ihahalin tulad ko po ito sa isang gym where I used to work before, if you bring in a friend to that gym and your friend joins the club or the gym, may usapan, may promo sila na you will be given 1 month free. Excuse me. Alright, so member gets member program. So, ganun din po ito. If you refer your friends to purchase the Supreme Wealth Library, no? And automatically kasi if you purchase a library, you become a member. Okay, so if they purchase a library and becomes a member, you get compensated as well. You will be given a bonus. Alright, so ito na po yung the exciting part. We're talking of bonuses. Okay, so hindi na po natin patagalin. I'll show you how this approach number 2 works. So, approach number 2 is very simple. When you purchase the library, you will be entered into our marketing system and you will be given your own website. Okay, so kung ang problema mo, nako, online business, website, wala akong alam dyan. Hindi naman ako marunong mag-create ng ganyan. No problem po. Kasama na po yun sa inyong membership. Okay, purchase the library, you will be given your own website. If you want to participate in this member gets member program. Okay, so ang trabaho po natin is just to consistently share our website to as many people as possible. Yun lang po. Okay, katulad ng sinabi ko po sa part 1, kung narinig nyo, hindi po natin trabaho mangumbinsi. Alright? Ang trabaho po natin ay mag-share ng ating link, mag-share ng ating website. Okay, so gaano ba kahirap yung mag-share ng website? Copy-paste lang po yan or Control-C, Control-V. No? Ganun lang po. I-type nyo na lang kung hindi nyo alam yung sinasabi kong copy-paste or Control-C, Control-V. I-type nyo lang yung website nyo. Napakadali naman pong i-memorize ng website. To as many people as possible. No? So, importante lang po, marami. Okay? Huwag po tayo mag-settle sa 2, 3, o 10. Alright? As many as possible. Ngayon, ang kagandahan po, congratulations, we have Facebook to do this sharing business, no? So, baka masaturate yung Facebook, ay napaka-imposible yun. Because Facebook now has almost 1 billion members. 1 billion. Alright, so ang tanong, can you share to as many as 1 billion members? Palagay kayo, hindi mo kakayanin sa buong lifetime. Alright, meaning habang buhay mo itong gagawin. And as you do this, as you consistently share to as many people as possible, believe me, you will be surprised that you will be rewarded accordingly. Okay, hindi po kayo yung mangungumbinsi. Let the website convince itself. No? Let the website convince them, not you. No? So, gone are the days na para makakumbinsi ka, you have to do the presentation, you have to meet them in a mall, you have to treat them in a coffee shop, no? Tapos na po yan. Ito po, you just share the link, share the site. if they like what they see, if they like what they have heard, then proceed to step number 2. Pagka hindi naman po sila na interested, hindi sila walang dating sa kanila, then that's no problem. You remain friends because this is not for everybody. Believe me, this is not for everybody. But our goal is to get a big chunk of the population of the world. No? Sa 10% na lang po ng internet users, 2.2 billion po ang gumagamit. Isipin nyo po yung 10% nun. That's more than 200 million members sa 10%. Wow! Alright, but pwede ba? Posible ba? Of course. Nagawa nga po ng Facebook eh. 1 billion members na po sila. Eh, wala naman pong kumikita doon. Okay, Facebook lang ako kumikita sa mga advertisements, sa mga games. Pero yung mga members, they're all having fun. No? That's no problem. We want to have fun. No? Pero dito po sa SWA, hindi lang po basta fun. We will give money. Okay, we will give financial freedom. So, paano hindi pwede mangyari? Alright? So, yan po. So, this is approach number 2. So, how does it work? Simpleng-simple lang po. Kaya po siya tinawag na pay plan, perfect pay plan system because it is the first time that 2 of the best and most popular compensation plans on the internet was combined. First time po yan. Hindi pa ho nangyari yan sa history na itong internet network marketing. Alright, first time po yan na itong dynamic follow matrix, which is kilala sa fastest earning potential, i-combine sa 3-up system. Nakilala naman po sa largest infinity potential. Both programs already produced multi-millionaires on their own. On their own po, nakaproduce siya ng mga financially successful members. Eh ano kaya mangyayari kung pagsamahin natin? Yun ang kinaibahan. At yun po ang dadalhin natin sa buong mundo. Yun po ang nagpaiba sa ating programa. Okay? We actually get the best of both worlds. Okay? Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, both of each pay plans, nakaproduce na po yan ng mga millionaires. So, what can you expect pag pinagsama? Super explosive income. Nangyayari ba? Okay, ang tanong nyo naman po ngayon, Alright, the truth is, it's already happening. 2 months as an official company, we have members, and hindi lang members, earning from 50, 60, 70, up to 100,000 a month, consistently for the last 10 months. Okay na po ba yun? Is it chamba? No? Sometimes, isipin ko nga, parang, okay ito parang, naku, baka paano next month? Alam mo kung ang income mo, up, down, up, down, up, down, medyo mag-isip-isip ka kung tama yung ginagawa. Believe me guys, we have seen, alam namin, because nakikita ko po yung payout sa mga top earners natin. Consistent po yun. And that's month after month after month after month after month. For 10 months consistently. That's about 100,000 a month. Yung mga top earners natin. Wow. At paano po nila ginagawa? Are they going out? Spending money through travels, BOM dito, BOM doon, representation dito, representation doon, gastos dito, gastos doon. Hindi po. Nakaupo sa harap na internet, nagfe-Facebook. Wow! Alright, and this is what really made it so exciting. Bakit ba natawag na perfect pay plan? So how sure are we naman, di ba? Parang ang yabang naman po nun. Perfecto. So kung pag-aaralan po natin yung dalawang pay plan, nangyari po talaga yan because dun sa pag-aaral at pagsisiyasat ng ating founder, nakahanap siya ng dalawang pay plan sa pag pinagsama mo, it compensates each other. Okay, yung major strength po ng 2x2 matrix neutralize the weakness of the infinity PASAP. And the major strength of the infinity PASAP directly neutralize the weakness of the 2x2 matrix. Meaning both weaknesses were erased. So, if you have a pay plan na dalawa ang strength, walang weakness, ano pong tawag? We call that perfect. Alright? So, kahit po pag-isipan nyo pa, kahit